Hello everyone. So in this video we would like to share the work just finished in the Toyota Estima 2008 import from Japan into Australia. So this one came with the aftermarket head unit, which was not working well, and we currently replace it with the new full system of the 9-inch touchscreen, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and also we replace the dealer fit camera from Japan with the new much better camera, Full HD anti-glare super night vision, and including dynamic steering wheel safety guidelines on the screen for the reverse camera. The camera was fit right at the same location as it was fit by Japanese dealer back to the day. So let's come out and have a look. Here you can see this is the new camera sitting at the same position, and it can easily adjust if you want to adjust it, no problem. And it looks like factory fit over there too. Basically the car was fit by Toyota dealer from the first day. So yeah, it's very simple, it's very easy to use, just like any other wireless CarPlay system that we have done, and it's perfectly fit into the car. There's no steering wheel control in this model, but that's fine, it's no problem. But one thing we would like to share is that the car comes with the factory, roof mount LCD like this, and it was certainly not working before when it came to us. And at this moment, everything is beautifully fit, and we soon will put this cover back into place right now after this video review. Okay, but you can see that it is fully connected to the front screen, front head unit. So if you want to share the video into this one, it's fine, it will do that job now, no problem. And just have a look at the reverse camera right now. You can see that that is the dynamic steering wheel safety guideline on the screen, and if we want to see that safety guideline, I can show you right now. So have a look. If we move the car backward, you can see that it starts moving the sensor, okay, and we put it forward and it come back quickly to the front application. So that's about the new system in this Toyota Estima import 2008 model. And yep, thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.